Yo, what up? It's your boy Jonathan Belcher, just dropping these gems on you. About to go in on this video, sharing some information with you, some free traffic getting, lead generating, sale getting website with you if you're a Herbalife distributor. Now, if it's a little too windy, please try to tune out the wind and pay closer attention to my voice. Pay closer attention to my voice. Now, if you haven't seen my videos yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Oh my gosh. And you know what's happening right now? I'm gonna be honest with you. The wind is crazy right now. The wind is crazy right now, but we're gonna still keep recording. We're gonna still keep recording anyway, right? Because the wind just tried to knock down my tripod, but we're not gonna let that stop us, right? So please just ignore the wind. First and foremost, let's get into our affirmation, right? This is an affirmation that you can say every single morning, and if you say this affirmation, I promise you will be blessed in your life. You wake up in the morning, you look in the mirror, and you say, I am rich. You say, I am financially free. I am financially prosperous. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am loved. Let's do it one more time. I am rich. I am financially free. I am financially prosperous. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy. I am healthy. And I am loved. And like I said, I believe if you say that affirmation every morning, before you start your business, before you go about your day, you will be blessed. So the other day I was working with one of my coaching students that I'm coaching in his business, showing him the ropes of how to get more results in his sales. And he's been really doing his thing. He's been really taking action. And he just came across, the other day he had a bad day in business. He didn't necessarily make the leads and the sales he wanted in a couple days in his business. And I said, look, one thing about business, especially with network marketing business, when it comes to any business where you're basically dealing with people, I said, look, you're gonna have bad days and you're gonna have good days. But don't let the bad days get you too down, and don't let the good days get you too up. And just keep going. The most important part about your business is that you stay consistent, is that you keep taking action, keep putting the work in. So I said, here's a theory that I adopted, and I told him straight up, I said, a theory that I adopted is when I wake up in the morning or things may not be going the way I want in my day, I say, look, I might cry, but I'm gonna go to work though. Right? I might cry, but I'm gonna go to work though. And you say, John, what does that mean? Well, what that means is that no matter how frustrated you may be, no matter how maybe angry you may be, no matter how discouraged you may be feeling, no matter how down you may be feeling, make sure you still show up for your business. Make sure you still go to work. Make sure you still put the action in that you need to put the action, whatever action you need to take in your business to get the results you want, and put on your poker face. Right? Put on your poker face. Wake up in the morning, no matter how you're feeling, and just smile. Smile. You know, let the teeth show. Let all the Colgate white teeth show. You know, and then that will get you in some positive spirits. It's shown in experiments. It's shown that literally, and this is before I get into the Herbalife. I'm going to get into the Herbalife stuff in 1 second. But it showed in studies that literally just by smiling, it sends a signal to your brain that you're happy. And just by smiling, even if you're mad, even if you're sad, even if you're upset, when you smile, you send signals to your brain that you're happy. So smile more. Wake up in the morning and smile before you go about your day, before you start taking action in your business. So really quick, and make sure to listen closely. And if you have a pen and pad, this will be great because I want you to write this down. If you need a free traffic generating website, a free site to get website on. Also, this is a free website you can use to get backlinks for whatever content you're creating for your Herbalife business. Now, in this video, I'm predominantly talking to those of you who are Herbalife distributors. But if you're not a Herbalife distributor, it's perfectly fine. If you're in a network marketing business or a direct sales business, and I hear the noise behind me, you know, just tune that out. I guess he's cutting the grass or whatever, landscaping guy. But we're not going to stop our video, right? We're not going to stop our video. We're going to keep going. So a website that you can go to generate free traffic is called Chiaracalm. Chiaracalm. This is how you spell it. It will be www.Chiora.com. I'm gonna spell it for you one more time so that you can have this website and you can use this website every single day to basically increase your online presence. Because that's what I teach my students. I teach about how to build an online presence using the internet, how to get your name out there, how to get your brand out there, how to get your products out there, how to get your company out there using the internet. So that's why I'm giving you this free website that you can use to generate more traffic, get engagement to your content. If you're doing YouTube videos, if you're doing blogging, or if you just have a website, which I recommend you should have a website that's aside from your company website, that helps you to brand yourself, that helps you to stand out from everybody else in the Herbalife business. So this is great if you have any piece of content that you want to share. So Chiara.com, it's spelled Quora.com, Quora.com. And when you go to Chiara.com, you're gonna realize that it's kind of like a social media website in a sense. And in this social media website, what you can do is you can pose a question. And that question that you post on the website, there's like they have a news feed. Create your account, go to Chiara.com, create a free account. It's completely free. And you're gonna notice that there's a news feed, right? In that news feed, and you see the wisdom is growing with the hair, right? You like the hair, the wisdom is growing with the hair. That's all that's happening, baby. The wisdom is growing with the hair. So you go to your news feed of Chiara.com and you pose a question, you post a question. And you can post any question having to do with any topic. So let's say you're in a weight loss business, you're in Herbalife, or you have a weight loss product. You might pose a question asking about weight loss. You might say something like, how to lose 15 pounds in the next 30 to 60 days, or something like that. Now, what that question is gonna do is gonna generate traffic. That question, the website is basically gonna have other people see your question, and it's gonna bring engagement to whatever content you listed under the question. When you post a question on Chiara, under the list of under the question, you can also post a link. You can also post a link on Chiara.com, and you can post a link to your YouTube video. You can post a link to your blog. You can post a link to your website. You can post a link to your Facebook. You can post a link to anything that lets the person know that your question is related to the link at hand. So basically, this free traffic generating website I'm telling you about, it's a high authority website. It's a great website for getting a backlink. If you send a link there, you get a backlink automatically. But also, most importantly, the website gets a lot of traffic. Chiara.com gets a lot of traffic. So write it down, Chiara.com, www.Quora.com. You can use this for your Herbalife business. So you could pose any question, right? Another question you might want to pose is maybe a new product just launched in Herbalife. And you may want to ask a question posing something having to do with the new product. How will this such and such product increase the rate of metabolism, for example? And then you might get people engaging with your question like, oh, what is this product? Where can I get this product? So all the weight loss people who are into fitness, who are into wellness, who are into health, they're gonna see your question. So this is gonna build up traffic. But this strategy, you gotta be consistent with this strategy. You know, don't just post one link a month. Use it daily, post to it once a day or something like that. You know, asking a question, posing a question. The more questions you ask on Chiara, the more traffic you're gonna generate and the more people the website is gonna get to answer your question. These are real people who are gonna come back and they're gonna answer your question, and you can engage with these people. These people are gonna be able to click your link that you put along with the question. They're gonna be able to go back to your website, learn more about your business. And this is something that you do every day. So this is really a way to build online presence. It's a way to create footprints online, because when you talk about internet marketing allows you to be able to recruit, allows you to be able to sell anything to anybody in the world. So it expands your horizons, right? It expands your horizons. That's what internet marketing does, and that's why I teach it, and that's why I coach my students on internet marketing, because it expands your horizons. It takes you from a limited business to an unlimited business. It takes you from a low potential business to a high potential business, because now you can tap into the market of weight loss in general, which is a $1 billion industry. So Chiara.com, if you post every single day, you just use it as a traffic source every day. Just log in to your account and post new content up. Post a new video up, post a new blog up, post something from your website page or something like that, and post a question. And the more questions you post over time, the more it's gonna bring free traffic back to your content. All right, so I hope that you found this video to be valuable. I ask that you please leave a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'm sorry about the wind, right? It's nature. You know, I'm trying to get the camera out the way of the wind so that it won't happen. But, you know, subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell notification below so that you get notified whenever I make videos like this, right? Whenever I drop value like this having to do with Herbalife, the Herbalife business, helping you get sales, giving you new tips, tricks, and strategies, make sure to hit the bell notification below. Drop a comment below. Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if Chiara's been working for you. Let me know anything. You know, hit me up if you're in Herbalife. If you're looking to get into Herbalife, drop your comments below. Oh, one last thing before I go. One last thing before I go. You can go to workwithjohnbelcher.com. The link is in the description below. That's my website. You can go to my website and you can find out more about training courses that I offer to those of you who are in Herbalife. I have specific training courses just for people in Herbalife who are struggling to get sales. If you're struggling to get new team members, if you're struggling to build your organization, if you're struggling to build your team, build your network, if you're struggling to reach the next rank in Herbalife, this training is for you. So go to workwithjohnbelcher.com and that's where you'll be able to check that out. Like I said, I hope you got value from this video. I wish you the utmost prosperity, the utmost abundance, and the utmost success. This is Jonathan Belcher. I'm gonna see you later. Peace.